Sézane is a French fashion brand known for its Parisian-inspired clothing, knitwear, shoes, and accessories. But the real question is, can you actually trust this boutique store, or is it all marketing and Instagram hype? Now, to be fair, Sézane is not some mysterious online shop that appeared overnight. It's a well-established French fashion company with physical stores around the world and thousands of customer reviews. What it does well is a legitimate fashion brand. Unlike many questionable online boutiques, Sézane has been operating for years and has substantial international presence. The designs are genuinely popular. The brand is known for its classic French aesthetic and has developed a strong reputation among fashion enthusiasts. Where the hype falls apart, quality can be inconsistent. This is the biggest issue. While many buyers love their purchases, others report shrinking fabrics, defects, thin materials, or items that didn't justify the premium pricing. Returns and refunds generate recurring complaints. Negative reviews often focus on refund delays, return processing issues, and customer service frustrations after the sale. Not every item is worth the price. Reddit discussions frequently describe Sézane as hit or miss, with some pieces being excellent value and others feeling overpriced. So, can you trust Sézane? Short answer, yes. Sézane is a real and reputable fashion brand, not a scam boutique or fake website. The bigger question is whether every item delivers enough quality to justify the price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.